Hello children, let's learn colors name. Orange, blue, yellow, pink, red, brown, green, purple, grey. Again, grey, purple, green, brown, red, pink, orange, blue, yellow. Now we will write letters, capital letters from A to Z. Brown, green color, violet, orange, purple, blue, pink. We will use, which color is this? Purple and green. A, after A is B, C, D, E, F, G, green color. After G is H, I, J, A, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, again purple, T, U, now V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now let's read again. Say with me. A for ant. B for balloon. C for hat. D for drum. E for eagle. F for frog. G for grapes. H for hat. I for ink. J for jeep. K for king. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nurse. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T television. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yacht. Z or Z for zebra. Bye bye.